Right, this is a bit of a horrible day I've got today. Blue sky, dry roads, and the prototype of the water-cooled Kazza SSR 265. It's a bit of a beast. They found loads more power in it, in the mid-range particularly, but this is up to 56 horsepower, I think they said. It's got a huge radiator on it. The difference between this and the other water-cooled engines that are out at the moment is this is a dedicated scooter barrel, but B, it's also got a mechanical water pump, which I think deals with one of the main problems of water-cooled bikes conversions, which is I'm not so sure I trust electric pumps 100% of the time. Mechanical seems to make more sense to me, but it's not saying it can't go wrong, but it's belt driven off the flywheel, and I think that's probably a safer way than trusting everything to little thin electrical wires. Anyway, I haven't turned the video camera on straight away because I wanted to have a quick go of it first to discover how much of an animal it was. And while it is rideable, you'll see it is pretty much an animal as well. So it pulls from low. So front wheels off the ground there in seconds. I'm only on about, I'll be honest, I'm on about half throttle there, and it's accelerating faster than I need already. So it's going to take some getting used to. Peak power's at about 9.3, he said. So still relatively high up the rev range. Main chief problem with this is Mickey Flight with the Agile fork in it, but it's got the frame's a little bit bent, I think. So they said it doesn't wheelie straight when you wheelie it. You can hear that this is still perfectly drivable. I'm at 5 grand. Got enough power to pull. Fifth gear, pottering along. But whenever you want to access the power, there's tons of it. And is it intimidating? Yeah, a little bit. I think you could probably get used to it, but it's not to be sniffed at for sure. Right, we'll see how quickly we can dispose of this car. I'm only using a bit of the throttle. You can see that the bike's tying itself in knots. That is so fast. I've got to take it easy. Right, I'm on race tyres, I think. But the bike is a weapon. The problem is handlebars just feel light. Now they're doing a bit of work on the aerodynamics of the Lambretta they're building for racing at the moment. Man, this is so fast. Jesus, wet. Hell, that was only in 4th gear. Insane. The front deep in the ground all the time. I'm set right forward and it just wants to come up. No problems about it accelerating, Jesus. That was only in 4th as well. 5th gear, I'm not sure I fancy in this chassis, to be fair. It's a little bit too wobbly for that. But I'm getting used to the grip and the handling of it anyway, so. But yeah, 56 horsepower in a Lambretta on the road is a lot. Woo! Jesus! Bloody hell. That is fast. Okay, so they're doing an SST version as well, which is a lot more lower revs. I don't know if it'll have more torque than this. They'll talk lower down the rev range. I'm getting used to this now. That's probably the dangerous thing, you know. But the front's coming up in fourth. So I'm in fifth now. Whoa, that's a bit. It's not exactly quiet, but the thing is, it's actually quite easy to ride. That's what's the pleasure of this. I would have said that 50 odd horsepower in a Lambretta, most of them won't be very nice to ride that are getting that sort of power, certainly on the road. But this is actually alright. And they've made some space in this cylinder to do a power valve version if they want to. So in terms of excitement, it's the most exciting I've ridden so far. Can't argue with that. Super fast. I'm getting used to the front coming up now, so I'm not quite so intimidated. The thing is, you don't know whether it's going to peak or put on more power and then flip. And at the moment, I can feel roughly where the peak is. Quite so quick. So far. It's quite deceptive because it leaves you barreling in the corners much faster than you think you are. It's insane, that's what it is. But it's not unrideable. You know, look, me pottering around now. Easy. You know? It's just that there's tons of power on tap as well if you're an absolute head case.